Hello, third grade munchkins. We are going to start our cursive handwriting without tears. You will need your cursive handwriting without tears book, your pencil, your eraser, and make sure that you are sitting at a table in which you can do your writing on the table, not your lap, not on the floor, but so that you can sit up real tall and straight and keep your feet on the floor. Let's take a look at our book. This is your Handwriting Without Tears book. When you open it up, there is a message from the author. And it says, "Dear student, can you read this? It's cursive. Your teacher will help you learn to read and write cursive. I hope you enjoy the book. Sincerely, Jan Z. Olson." When you first open the book on page 2 and 3, this is the table of contents. You will see across the top all the letters, capital and lowercase letters across the top. The numbers underneath the letter tells you what page you will be writing that letter in a lesson. And then here's the table of contents in order. For every assignment, we're going to be doing 2 pages unless otherwise explained. So we're going to go ahead and go to the very first page on 4 and 5. So go ahead and turn in your workbook to page 4 and 5. When you look at the top of page 4, you will see the cursive lowercase letters. And at the bottom, you will see the cursive uppercase capital letters. We're going to focus on page 5. And before we begin, we want to make sure that everybody is holding their pencil correctly.
Ah, what a grip. It's tight enough so the pencil doesn't fall out of my hand, and loose enough so that my fingers can move it. Best of all, I'm comfortable. It didn't develop naturally. I had to learn it. It took repetition and practice. Let me tell you about how I learned this grip. I used to have an awkward grip. I thought I was in control, but it was way too tight. Ouch! My aching knuckles! Then I tried the standard grip. I hold the pencil with my thumb and index finger. The pencil rests on my middle finger. I learned how to get my pencil in the correct position with the flip the pencil trick. Let me show you. Place the pencil on a table, pinch the pencil with your thumb and index finger. Lift it up and flip it around until the eraser points back towards your shoulder. Voila, the standard grip. I also did pencil pickups. I pick up my pencil, make sure I'm holding it correctly, and then I drop it. And then I pick it up again, make sure I'm holding it correctly, and then I drop it again. I did pencil pickups lots of times. I had fun with my new grip. I scribbled, wrote my name, practiced writing, and eventually it became my regular grip. What a grip. One more thing, we're all made differently, so if the standard grip doesn't work for you, then you can try an alternate grip. Here's one. Hold the pencil with the thumb and both the index and middle finger. The pencil rests on the ring finger. By the way, all these grips work for lefties too. Peace out!
Okay. So one thing we are going to do is we're going to do a little warm up to practice writing our cursive letters. So right now what I want you to do is I want you to put your pencil down and I want you just to watch. And then in a couple minutes, you will then do the activity. So we're going to practice our cursive warm-up. When we're printing letters, okay, like let's say the capital letter K, I would do my straight line down, frog jump to the other corner, down to the middle, and then the bottom corner. So from here, I had to lift my pencil and go up here to make the capital letter. If I was going to write the letter E, meow, and the Y, each time I have to stop with my pencil to make the next letter. So there was a lot of stopping. I had to draw my line down, I had to stop, pick up the pencil, finish my capital letter K, then start here in the middle for my little letter E, make my E, stop, pick up my pencil, go over here to where the corner would be, and straight line diagonally down, pick up my pencil, and do that. So the whole time I'm picking up my pencil and I'm moving. And when I pick up my pencil and I move, I'm also moving my arm. When we learn cursive writing, we don't pick up our pencil between letters. Right? Watch. So we're going to start on the star. Okay, so see the star here where the pencil is? And what we're going to do is we're going to go under the letter U and then over the letter O and stop. This is going to help you keep control of your pencil when you're learning to write in cursive. And this is not something that's going to come very fast. You will need to concentrate and take your time and do it right the first time. Because with handwriting takes practice. Practice takes time before you're able to do it right the first time. So when we do handwriting without tears, it's very important that you follow the directions that I give or the video gives you. Because if you do not have control of your pencil and your writing is super sloppy and hard to read, I will send it back for you to redo it. If you have what is called the death grip on your pencil and your writing is super, super dark and heavy, you're going to find that it's very hard to erase. So you want to make sure that you're holding the pencil in the correct way and following directions before your adult learner submits your work. So again, we're going to start here at the star. We're going to go under the letter U, up and over the letter O, and stop. We're going to start here on the star. We're going to go under the letter U, over the letter O, and stop. Under and over. I want you to go ahead and with your pencil, I want you to complete these 6 over and under problems. When you're done, put your pencil down. You can pause the video, and when you are done doing the activity, restart the video, and we're going to go into up and straight down. Okay, now we're ready to go to up and straight down letters. Again, you're going to start on the star, and you're going to swoop up to the dot, straight line down, and a little tiny curve. So again, we're going to start here at the dot, go over to the middle, straight line up, stay down on that line, and a little bitty loop. Go ahead and practice this up and straight down. Make sure you end with like a little loop or a little tail for each one. Pause the video and go ahead and do your writing. When you're done, put your pencil down and restart the video. Now we are ready for up and loop down. Notice we have a star, a dot, and 2 lines. So we're going to start here on the star. We are going to go to the dot, we are going to go up, we're going to make a loop and come back down and end with a little tail. We're going to start on the star, over to the dot, up, make a loop, come down and end with a little tail. Go ahead and try up and loop down. Pause the video, and when you're all done with these letters, go ahead and restart the video for the descending loop. All right, we are ready to do the descending loop. For this one, you'll see a star and then 2 dots over here. So we're going to start at the star. We are actually going to go straight down past the little dot. We're going to go around the dot and we're going to go back up and finish that little loop there. Okay, so we're going to start here at the star, go straight down. We're going to loop around the dot and back up to finish. Go ahead and practice doing this 6 times, the descending loop. When you are done, you can put your pencil down and restart the video. All right, now you are going to practice writing your name in cursive. When you do this, since this is the first time you're learning cursive, I want you to look at page 4. Remember that the first letter of your first name starts with a capital letter. Okay? And then all the rest of the letters are lowercase letters. But when you're writing in cursive, instead of picking up your pencil and then moving over and then writing the next one, you are going to write it in one motion on these double lines. So for instance, if Mrs. Pluto was writing her name, I'm going to make this bigger so we can all see it. I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to go here and I'm going to look at the letters on the other page and I'm going to start above, make my capital letter, notice that it is one line that I made. I did not pick it up. There I picked it up because it's a P. Notice I'm bumping those lines. And when I finish my A, I'm going to go back over and cross my T. You are going to write your name in your best cursive writing that you can, right next to name. Then you're going to write your name on this line, right here, and right here. So you're going to practice writing your name 4 times in cursive. When you are done writing your name 4 times in cursive, and make sure when you're doing this that you're looking over here at the capital letters to see how they are formed. When you're done writing your name 4 times here, you are then going to go to the front cover and you're going to write your name in cursive across the top. When you're done, you're going to take a picture of the front cover, and on the first page that we were writing on page 5, and you're going to take a screenshot of the whole page 5 and upload it in the next activity.